Exercise 1. Seated Dumbbell Low Fly. Targets the lower chest with a stretched fly motion. Sitting upright limits body momentum, forcing the pecs to handle the load. Keep arms slightly bent and squeeze at the bottom for deep contraction. Slow tempo increases chest isolation and carves better definition. Exercise 2. Barbell reverse bench press. Shifts emphasis to the upper chest while also activating triceps. The reverse grip changes pressing angle, giving unique stimulation. Keep wrists stable and elbows tucked for safety. Controlled reps prevent joint strain and help maximize chest engagement with a strong upper pec pump. Exercise 3. Landmine kneeling squeeze press. Focuses on inner chest while also engaging shoulders and triceps. The close squeeze keeps constant tension across pec fibers. Kneeling removes leg drive, forcing chest isolation. Maintain steady pressure and push in an upward arc to maximize inner chest activation and growth. Exercise 4. Barbell close grip bench press. Prioritizes triceps while also hitting inner chest fibers. The close grip reduces shoulder strain and increases pressing strength. Keep elbows close to body and lower slowly for safe tension. Squeeze triceps hard at lockout to build mass and pushing power effectively. Exercise 5. Elevated Push-Up. A bodyweight movement targeting lower chest and shoulders with increased range. Elevating the feet shifts emphasis onto chest fibers and boosts intensity. Keep body straight, lower deeply, and press explosively. Squeeze chest at the top for better contraction and functional chest strength. Exercise 6. Dumbbell one-arm bench press. Trains chest unilaterally, helping correct strength imbalances. The single-arm press forces core stabilization while isolating each pec. Keep motion controlled and avoid twisting. Squeeze hard at the top of the lift for full chest contraction and balanced, symmetrical development. Exercise 7. Dumbbell Decline Fly. Emphasizes the lower chest by stretching fibers under tension. The decline angle reduces shoulder involvement and maximizes pec activation. Keep a slight elbow bend and squeeze at the top to fully engage the lower chest. Controlled tempo ensures deep stretch and isolated contraction. Exercise 8. Cable Low Fly. Focuses on the upper chest by pulling cables upward from a low position. Constant tension from cables keeps pecs engaged throughout the motion. Maintain a slight bend in arms and cross wrists at the top for peak squeeze. Perfect for shaping and carving upper chest lines. Exercise 9. Dumbbell bench press. A staple chest builder targeting middle pecs with balanced push. Dumbbells allow greater range and symmetrical activation compared to barbell. Lower slowly for controlled stretch and press with power, squeezing chest at top. Great for building mass and overall pec development. Exercise 10. Barbell wide bench press. Prioritizes chest over triceps by widening grip. The wide angle reduces arm assistance and increases pec workload. Lower bar under control, avoiding shoulder strain. Drive upward with chest contraction to develop thickness and width in the pecs while maintaining strength. Exercise 11. Dumbbell incline alternate bench press. Works upper chest with alternating motion for stability and control. The incline angle shifts focus upward, while alternating arms challenges balance and core engagement. Maintain steady tempo and squeeze pecs at lockout. Helps correct imbalances and boost chest symmetry. Exercise 12. Dumbbell Fly. Isolates chest with wide arc motion, minimizing triceps involvement. Arms remain slightly bent to protect joints while chest fibers stretch and contract. Perform slow, controlled reps for maximum tension. Great finisher for shaping, defining, and carving out the pecs effectively. Exercise 13. Weighted push-up. Turns classic push-up into mass builder by adding resistance. Targets middle chest with extra overload while engaging core. Keep chest leading the movement and avoid hip sag. Maintain full range and lockout squeeze for maximum pec contraction and progressive strength gains. Exercise 14. Cambered bar flat press. Focuses on chest depth, using bar curve to increase stretch at bottom. Targets middle pecs while reducing shoulder strain. Maintain wide grip and drive upward with chest. Controlled lowering enhances fiber activation, making it a powerful chest size builder. Exercise 15. Chest dip on high parallel bars. Prioritizes lower chest by leaning torso forward and flaring elbows slightly. Controlled descent to stretch pecs deeply. Avoid staying upright to reduce triceps dominance. Press through chest for explosive return. Ideal for carving lower pec thickness and strength. Exercise 16. Floor fly with barbell. An isolation chest exercise using barbell on floor to limit range and protect shoulders. Focus on wide arc motion and squeezing pecs together at top. Keep arms steady and move slowly for constant tension. Effective for shaping pecs without heavy load. Exercise 17. Dumbbell Lying Hammer. Engages chest with neutral grip for joint-friendly press. Neutral position reduces shoulder strain and shifts emphasis to pecs. Keep motion steady and avoid locking elbows. Squeeze chest at peak to maximize contraction, making it an efficient mass and strength builder.